Today we're going on a unique and heartwarming journey to the Wagah Border in Lahore. Join as we dwell into the mesmerizing experience of witnessing a daily flag lowering ceremony between the Pakistani and Indian armies. As we entered, there were stalls where you could buy some things and loud music, really loud. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Glow Gossip. So if you're new on my channel, please subscribe and press the bell button. So guys, today we're at Wagah Border, Lahore. So guys, let's explore it. As the sun began to set, the energy in the air grew electric. The environment at the Wagah Border was not only festive but also remarkably clean. It was a refreshing change to witness, a sense of respect and discipline. Every evening the ceremony takes place here, a harmonious display of respect and friendship between our nations. The friendly atmosphere created a sense of camaraderie among everyone present. It was like a one big family united by a shared moment of pride. The national songs echoed loudly on both sides of the borders. Now it's time for you to experience it on camera.
परचम उतारा जाए और इस एहतराम में खामोश और बादम खड़े हो जाएं। पाकिस्तान और बारूदी हजरात परचम को सल्यूट करें।
Both countries closed the door, and that was it. Overall, our visit to the Wagah border was an experience like no other. It left us feeling patriotic. Even the weather was really good. There was a rainbow at the end. We encourage each and every one of you to witness this incredible ceremony and be a part of this inspiring moment. Thank you all for joining us on this memorable journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment below. Until next time, keep exploring.